What is up, guys? Mike Vaya here, and in today's video, the topic of this video is, should you join the Clickfunnels affiliate bootcamp? So I'm pretty sure you guys have been seeing the whole fuzz, just like the One Funnel Away challenge came out earlier this year. Now you're seeing this affiliate bootcamp revamped, all over probably your news feed, YouTube ads, Instagram ads. You're seeing it everywhere, and you're like, should I join this? Should I join the affiliate bootcamp? I joined it last year and I did not get results. So what will change, right? That's your thoughts, because that's what were my thoughts. But you know me, it's free, no risk. I'm willing to dive in, and see if it's actually worth something. And it absolutely is. But I'm also giving you the pros and cons of this, guy. So right here, if we are on this page, the affiliate bootcamp page. You'll see Russell here. He pretty much breaks this down, really intense video. I might end up playing it for you guys in a bit, but pretty much just walks you over how much they paid out in commissions to their affiliates. So over 52 million in commissions just to affiliates. Last year, 2018, they paid out over 22 million just in affiliate commissions. That's ridiculous, guys. They have 98 affiliates who were awarded a dream card. That's over 100 referrals. Um, Last month, 81% of active ClickFunnels affiliates made less than 200. So, pretty much saying that, it's very hard to sell this. How can you get sales with ClickFunnels, right? Is that the biggest difficulty? The how, right? The how is what they always leave out. Like, you have this amazing product that you can sell, that you can promote. ClickFunnels is amazing, but then you're like, how the hell do I push it? How do I promote it? How do I get sales? Well, just to show you guys, in this thing, he does give you the how. So he gets people who already have gotten results and they share their method. But by doing that, it can get very consuming as well. So, for example, when you get this, the way it works is you get an email each day for 4 days. Those emails have four people, four different videos, four different ways on what they would do in 100 days to get um, make this full time, how to get their full time commission through ClickFunnels. So all of these people have different strategies. You got to find the strategy that fits you the best, and that's where a lot of people can go wrong and get overconsumed. Because trust me, when I went into this, I was like, God damn, there's so much content, and it's valuable. Content is valuable, but there's a thing called overconsumption, and you're gonna just have so much in your head, you're not gonna even know where to start. So do not do that. This is absolutely free, so I advise you to do it, and this is the way I advise you to do it. Okay, if you are in a tight money situation right now, if you do not have the money to pay for ClickFunnels, which is 97 per month, or you're on the iffy side about it and not totally sure about it, you could do exactly what I did last year. Was if you see right here, let me pull this over here. This is my old ClickFunnels account right here. As you can see, it's my name. I've made a lifetime of 855. I have like a little under $100 pending to be paid, and 700 were already paid to me thus far. In the last 30 days, I made $40 on this account. This account right here is just an affiliate account. So at that time, I became a ClickFunnels affiliate without paying for ClickFunnels. And the way I did that was I signed up under this link right here. So there is a specific way where you can sign up and be an affiliate without paying for the platform. Still, I will show you my new account with a different email address that I have here. I've only made $100 because I haven't been promoting it or pushing it. But on this account, I am paying for ClickFunnels now. So I have two ClickFunnels affiliate accounts, but I'm only going to start using this one now because I am paying for it. So I do advise you that once you have the money, you should switch over to a paid account. But if you do not, if you are on that list of people who can't afford it for now, or just want to check it out, then come to this link. I'll have the link in the description. Sign up. It's free. You'll create a free ClickFunnels affiliate account, and you're going to get access to just everything that I have access to here and be able to promote it. And I mean, just to give you a little inside look, I mean, the main thing here that we should focus on is promoting ClickFunnels, the platform. So if we get our links here, and I'll take out my calculator real quick. Right here, ClickFunnels pays you 40% monthly recurring commissions, guys. recurring commission. So if you get a person to sign up to this platform and they pay $97 per month, you will get $38.80 per account sign up. Now, if they get the upper package, the enterprise plan, you'll get 118 per month just per sign up. Those are fat commissions, guys. Those are really good, you know. And they have a second tier level where you actually get 5% of what your affiliates get. So, I mean, if you ask me, why are you giving out so much free value? Well, there it is. If you do sign up under me, I will get a commission as well, a 5% under that. And I want to help you guys succeed with this. So there it is. You can become an affiliate for free. I do advise you to, actually sign up and pay for the account. But if you're in a tight spot, then do that for free. Now, we're here, right? Should you join? Yes. Now, I'm going to give you a little inside look. I cannot show you day 1 or day 2 because I'm actually in day 3, which is weird because I guess this link right here, it got like, it let me bypass, but the other 2, I could not bypass them. And I cannot access them no more. They're expired. And the thing they do is they actually upsell you the one funnel away challenge. The thing is, I joined the one funnel away challenge twice already, so um, I'm on the edge of joining it again. I think I will, just to get all this stuff, access to this forever, lifetime access, because there is tremendous value in this. But I mean, to get started, all you need is one. You need to learn from one of these people, and break them down. So, for example, this one right here, creating YouTube videos. Since my big thing here is I love YouTube, I really broke this guy down. His name is Joe Marfaglio. I might have said that wrong, but as you guys can see here, I mean, this guy, it was like a 2 hour long video. I mean, you see right here, hour and a half, and these are the notes I took. Look at that. I mean, I took tremendous notes, guys. Check it out. Notes after notes after notes after notes after notes. Just value, guys. Value, 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 value. So, I mean, can you imagine doing this for every single video? And all of them have the same topic, just different methods. So, it's just gonna like overconsume you. You're not gonna get anywhere because you're gonna say, "What do I do?" I mean, check this out: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 different methods, 15 different people, 15 different ways of doing this. Choose one that you like and stick to that one. There's just 15 different ways you can promote this. There's no excuse in not getting results, guys. There's just not any. This is given and this is all free, like free. It's crazy. So I mean, I recommend you to join. You got nothing to lose, absolutely free. I'll have both links to join the challenge for free. I'll have the link to join this for free as well. And when they do upsell you for the one funnel away, if you haven't taken it, I advise you to do it. If you joined it once, you should do it again. If you joined it twice, like myself, um, it depends on your situation. Like I said, I'm on the edge, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and sign up so I can actually have this all stored lifetime. Plus, I'm sure you get some bonuses if I'm not mistaken. If I click join one funnel away challenge through there, I think they'll hit you with all the bonuses that it has. Oh, there it is. So you get a digital copy of all the 15 speakers, over 186 pages for free. So you get a copy of this book digitally. Keywords digitally. Would be nice for it to be physically, right? But I mean, hey, it is what it is, and digital is still good. At least it won't get torn. But I mean, this one funnel away challenge, absolutely worth it as well. If you haven't been part of it, you should absolutely join it. A lot of content. They teach you how to build your own product from scratch and how to promote it, how to create a whole funnel. I mean, if you're not familiar with Clickfunnels yet, the platform, then I definitely advise you to get the one funnel away challenge because you pretty much become a funnel expert with this. You pretty much learn how to do it. And now they're adding this whole affiliate side of things. Guys, if you're not mind blown like I am, then I don't know what's wrong with you because this right here, all this stuff that I'm showing you, it's just free given to you. Um, or a 100 simple little small investment, all of that given to you and you'll succeed. Like, that's a roadmap. I've invested over $10,000 in courses. So if I can easily had invested just $100 and gotten all this value, that's ridiculous. No regrets here though. Every course I've taken, I've learned so much. There's some that were trash, but for the most part, number one, where I got the most value, OD Productions, Passive Income Lifestyle Mentorship, best course I've ever taken. But I mean, going to it, guys, you're getting all this for $100. What's holding you back? What's holding you back from succeeding, guys? I mean, if I was you, I'd jump on it. I did jump on it. I'm part of it. That's why I have this access here, because it's free. It's free. Like, I don't know why you wouldn't join it. It's free. It's free, and you get all this value, how to promote ClickFunnels if you don't know how to promote it. And then here's my help to you, my tool to you. So I actually created a Facebook group here. I'll have that linked as well, where I want to build this tribe, this community, where I can, give you guys as much value as possible, share my insights. There's only 8 members right now thus far, but which makes it very small and interactive. It's just a few of us just, there talking to each other, interacting, but I'm right here, giving content, giving value, showing my little tricks that I do. As you can see right there, I'm showing off this stuff right here. Um, and just more on a personal level, and I don't want to hold anything back. I want you guys to succeed, because, when I was coming up into this, I didn't have that support. I didn't have those people, that community, that had my back and wanted to see me win. Now I do. Like, I'm very grateful that I took Odie's passive income course, because to this day he hits me up on Instagram, sends me some DMs, and wants to see me actually win. And that to me, it means a lot. So I want to do the same for you guys. I want you guys to win. I want you guys to take over this affiliate marketing game, and I want us all to succeed together. Um, but with that being said, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, put some comments down below. And I enjoyed speaking to you guys. I'll see you on the next one. This is Mike Vaya, and I'm out.